Alrighty guys, welcome back to another one. We're comparing a factory 12 pellet single lot buck load against my hand loads here. Now I'm using my H&R partner pump, 28-inch barrel, 680 constriction Carlson's choke. This is 1275 FPS. They are buffered, non-copper plated. Mine are in full length wads, TPS, and I say full length, but that's a Claybuster CV1138. We're going to be seeing which one does better. Wonder why that ground's smoking. Anyway.
Alrighty guys, this one here, we might as well get the factory out of the way first. 12 pellet single lot buck, conventionally loaded, there's no shot cup or nothing. Let's see what it does at, I don't know, 25, 30 yards. We're going to be comparing it to his hand loads. So, no further ado, I guess let's answer some questions. Why should you hand load buckshot? Obviously, hauls fine.
These are great hauls.
Alrighty guys, I just want to say real quick, we've broke one of these shells down before, and it had 13 pellets instead of 12, and apparently it's a regular occurrence.
Yeah, I did email Remington about that.
Yep. The reason we mentioned that is for the simple sake of there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yeah, that's 13 pellets. That's a really good group too.
Yeah, the core of it, I mean.
I'm not so sure I can beat that.
I'm positive we can beat it.
But I'll try to find the pictures I took of this that had 13 pellets in it. I did email Remington about it, and they told me that it was normal. We're about 25 yards. Fiocchi, brand new prime 2 3/4 inch shell, 27 of long shot, TPS, 4 pedals, 3/4 cut, an 1/8 inch of fiber cushion wad, 12 pellets of 31 cal single lot, and mixed number 47 buffer. See what this does.
Gun go boom.
All looks great. No pressure signs at all.
Let's walk down here and see.
All right, so I think it's safe to say I beat that pattern. I beat it right into the dirt. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that one I'm actually going to measure. I'm pretty impressed by it. Let's see here. We got 11 by 12. About a foot circle. I'm honestly really impressed by it.
Yes, sir. Alrighty guys, another 12 pellet single lot load. This one in particular is 28 grains of long shot with a 12 gauge nitro card over top the powder. CB1138 wad. Like I said, 12 pellets of single lot buck and ITX buffer with a fold crimp. Running out of this Carlson 680 constriction choke, roughly 20, 25 yards. Let's see if we can't beat a factory shell as far as patterning goes. Well, one second. There we go. Hull looks fine.
Yep. That gun's a little dirty.
I don't know what happened there. It dropped it. It dropped it like he's gonna kick up another shell.
Oh, really?
It landed on the loading ramp instead of coming out.
That's
why
weird.
I had to rack it back forward. Alrighty guys, it's hard to say if that beat the factory, Remington Express load. I know it wasn't as good as the TPS load, but for what it was, a regular Target wad, not nothing special, just a Claybuster wad. I feel like it done all right. It's a fairly decent pattern. All 12 of them's on paper. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And it's in a circle. I always like seeing that.
I suppose so.
There's none in the center though, but
Yeah.
I'll take it. I just measured the pattern. It was 21 by 15. Sorry, I forgot to measure the factory load. My bad. Guys, this one here is in a Rio hull with a Shadot primer. We have 28 of long shot, a TPS pre-slit wad, meaning this is full cut, not the 3/4 cut I normally like. 1/8 inch fiber cushion wad, 12 pellets, a single aught, and ITX buffer. Still at 20 to 25 yards. We really need a rangefinder.
Yeah. Uh-oh. That went click.
Try it again. Oh, I didn't chamber it.
Left it in the tube.
All looks excellent.
I like in blue hulls.
I do too. I wish Rio still made these for
Yep.
sale in the US. You can still get them though on Ballistic Products.
Uh-huh.
They're unprimed.
Ah.
All right, so that one's the best one that we have fired. We got 1, 2, I can't tell, 3, 4, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Guys, that's ridiculously tight. You literally have to aim that like a rifle. But that's my kind of pattern. I don't know about Josh, but that's what I go for.
Yeah.
Let's measure that one. It has to be smaller than 10.
It's got its purposes.
8 by...
7.
Yep, 8 by 7. Wow.
Patterns like that got purposes. Like
Long
you're coyote
range.
hunting or something, you got one that won't come in more than 40 yards. You can sling that at it.
Yeah. I imagine at 50, that's going to be opened up as wide as the factory load was.
Probably so. Well, alrighty, guys. That concludes another one. You take for it what you want. Whether you'd rather shoot factories or maybe dabble into hand loadings, that's old personal preference there. Me personally, I think I'll hand load my buckshot. But until next time, I'd like to say thank you to y'all and hope y'all safe and staying warm wherever you're at. And hope you'd like and subscribe. And until the next time, y'all have a good one.